I'm Laurie Bates from the Utah State University Food Sense program, and today we're going to teach you how to microwave a pumpkin and make puree. Some things that you will need are a pumpkin, a bowl, a knife sharp enough to make holes in your pumpkin, tape, Sharpie, a knife to cut with, a scoop to get the seeds out, another spoon just in case, a cutting board, foil, 2 hot pads, a plastic bag or container for freezing. Choose a sugar pumpkin that is heavy for its size, and then one that will fit your microwave best. 1 pound of raw pumpkin equals 1 cup of puree. You will want to rinse your pumpkin and pat dry. Now you're going to take your sharp knife and you're going to make 4 to 5 holes in your pumpkin to let the steam escape. Place your pumpkin in the microwave on the outside of your turntable. Then set your cook time for 5 minutes and then start your microwave. Now that your 5 minutes is over, you're going to want to turn your pumpkin onto the other side and cook for another 5 minutes. While your pumpkin is microwaving, go ahead and take some foil that will fit your pumpkin size and then place it on the counter. When the pumpkin's done, take your 2 pot holders and put 1 pot holder on each side of the pumpkin and take it over to your foil and place it in the center. Then you're going to want to put your foil around your pumpkin, and your pumpkin will continue to cook as it's in the foil. Check your pumpkin after 15 minutes for tenderness, or you can keep it in the foil for up to 45 minutes if you need to. Check the tenderness after 15 minutes by pressing your thumb in to make sure that the pumpkin is done. Then unwrap it, place it on your cutting board. When it's cool enough to handle, take your knife and cut the pumpkin in half. Okay, so take your ice cream scoop or your spoon, and then you're going to want to start scraping the inside seeds and fiber out of your pumpkin. And then go ahead and just place it in the bowl that you have. Now you'll notice also that the skin is very easy to remove, but if you're having a little bit of trouble, you can just use a knife to help you out. Okay, once you get all of the skin off of the outside of your now cooked pumpkin, you're going to want to cut it into squares, just like so. And then take your blender and you're going to want to place that right in there. And then just put, of course, your top back on. And you're going to blend that right up. Put your blender on high for a minute. Until it is smooth, like this. Now you need to use it immediately or refrigerate it. It can also be frozen for 10 months by using your plastic bag or a freezer container. Now make sure to mark your bag or your container by using masking tape with your date and what the item is in your container. now that your pumpkin puree is done, you're ready to make pies, breads, cookies, baby food, soup, or your favorite recipe. Want to learn more? Food Sense has free classes every month. To sign up, go to extension.usu.edu/JUAB or come into the USU Extension office at 160 North Main Street, Nephi. Thanks for joining us.